playing a little Buffalo Lightning Link. We got the hold and spin feature. Let's light it up. Go ahead. Try and get a mini, minor, major, Mother's Day flowers, chocolates.
Strawberry covered chocolates.
Yeah, chocolate covered strawberries.
Come on.
The usual. Oh no, there we go. All right.
Come on. You can do it.
Something bigger.
Yay.
All right, so we got
All right.
5 holes left.
One at a time.
5 holes left, 2 spins to go. Oh no!
He's gonna pull through
Don't
first. Come
stop
on.
now! Oh, okay, well that's the free spins feature. We can buzz through that.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Big
that's
win!